The one thing that people have asked me, you're a lifestyle expert. Where did you become a designer? For 30 years, I've been in the dressing room with these women
Yeah.
that I was making over. And I always say, you can't build the house until you look at the foundation. So I would say to all these women, I've done makeovers on 20 years on Live with Regis and Kelly, Steve Harvey, right? Like every Hallmark Home and Family. I've been on TV for a long time.
A little bit.
These women would go in the dressing room and I'm like, look, we're going to bond. I'm going to ask you to feel comfortable and stand there in front of me in your underpinnings, in your bra, in your panties. I need you to look at your body. I will shut my eyes. I will hold your hand. But if you don't look at your boobs, if you don't look at your hips, at your belly, at your butt, at your thighs and see, there's cellulite. There's no cellulite. My right boob is bigger than my left. If you don't embrace your body and say, that's me at this moment, you can't move forward. I want just a little extra arm coverage. I understand that. Lawrence, I feel like, I've had 3 kids and my waist. So every single thing a woman has said to me over those 30 years, over the intimacy, over the delicate moments of her telling me what was missing, I'd go shopping then. I'd get a tank top and be like, that strap is too thin. I just want more with the strap. I want something that's gathered so there's arm coverage, but you don't have a lot of money. So why would you have to buy an A-line tank top and then another tank top? Why don't I just design both? Oh, you want something with an elastic instead of a fitted waistline. If I give you just a little extra pleat, a box pleat in the back with more gathering, extra movement, that's where I became a designer. By seeing what wasn't available when I was designing, look, I might not have known the terminology, which I know now, but my expertise is women. Lawrence, I've got a big butt. I'm a pear shape. I'm an apple shape. My husband loves my curves. I I just need to drape it better. What do you think? What fabric breathes? So that's where my expertise came from. So what is my expertise? Every single woman that trusted me to, in quotes, get naked with them, expose themselves, share their story, and they want something that stretches. They want something that
It
feels
feels
good.
good.
My girlfriends are all going through menopause. I want something that's cool, that doesn't stick, that is still figure flattering. So I feel that everything I've done led me to QVC. So that's sort of my story on why I do what I do and where my expertise came from.
And how that can help you have less stress, because that's confidence. When you open up that closet and everything makes you feel beautiful, that is taking yourself into from the sympathetic to parasympathetic, being relaxed, having rest, and having less stress.
And feeling pretty and have somebody else looking at you and saying, you look so pretty today. I know. I do. And to own it. I get so angry when you say to a woman or to another man, you look great today. Oh, I'm feeling fat. Shut up.
Yeah.
Somebody just gave you a gift. Literally, shut up. I love
Take
that
it.
color on you. Take a moment. Receive the gift. Life is tough. Receive the gift, and that's God's wink.